Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that you are well, and I want to keep faith on you that in the midst of this situation you are continue your regular studies. Though we have passed our national festival Eid, so I think that we have passed the 2 or 3 days ago this day. So now, without roaming or without walking here and there, from now you will be attentive in your studies. So remember that last classes I have taught you scene passage in the composition part of English first part of class 10, and today I will teach you the unseen passage. On the whiteboard I have written the unseen passage, and you know that in the unseen passage there are 5 marks on question number 3, and that is information transfer. In information transfer there is 5 marks. And for your remembering or for your proper understanding, I want to remind you that scene passage is doesn't come in the exam from your textbooks, or sorry, unseen passage doesn't come from your textbooks. Scene passage comes from the textbooks, and if you read the textbooks you can answer your scene passage, but unseen passage is different from your. If you read total textbooks you can't get answer from the question number 3, information transfer, because on the basis of the reality of the country, or on the basis of the present condition of the country, or based on the any accident or incident in the country or worldwide, that means around the world, or even based on any informative things, educative informative things, or any accident or any incident, or based on any revolution or any historical things, there will be passage of unseen passage. So now I did not write here unseen passage, just instead of this I will read it, and I want to get hope from you that you will listen to me very attentively to understand this unseen passage. Unless you understand it properly, you cannot transform the information from the passage to this column. So now I am reading the unseen passage. From this unseen passage you will answer this column. There are 5 spaces here, and there are some of the clues are available there, and from thinking regarding these clues, or by understanding the unseen passage what I will read now, you will answer 5 of these questions. So now I am reading, listen to me. The unseen passage I am starting to read. For the time being, there are 3 terms: coronavirus, COVID-19 and lockdown are the talk of the world. We know this virus was discovered in China. It was noticed that it has been attacking human beings only up to now. It was once called Chinese virus by former American President Donald Trump. Eventually, the World Health Organization named it after coronavirus, which is approved by the whole world. Dear students, for your well understanding or for your well perception, I am reading again this passage. For the time being, there are three terms: coronavirus, COVID-19 and lockdown are the talk of the world. We know this virus was discovered in China. It was noticed that it has been attacking human beings only. Up to now, it was once called Chinese virus by former American President Donald Trump. Eventually, the World Health Organization named it after coronavirus, which is approved by the whole world. Dear students, now come to answer. So, before coming answer, I am discussing the introduction of how to answer the informative question. I want to tell you that to answer the information transfer, first of all, you have to know the tense, you have to know the making sentence sequence, you have to know the use of preposition, or you have to know the vocabulary a lot. After all, you must understand the Bengali meaning of the passage, and unless you fathom the Bengali meaning of the passage, you can't answer or you can't transfer the information from passage to the column. Okay, now I am teaching you, or now I am making you understand that here I have read the column, and you know in information transfer there are 5 marks. I wrote here. Column, you are saying in the first column, clues are what, event, who, where. What, event, who, where. So in Roman number, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spaces or 5 gaps here, and in these sorts of gaps you have to make it your correct answer. There are some clues. In what? There are some clues. There is Chinese virus, talk of the world. In the column of event, clues are attack, address, discovery. Column of who, here the clues, human being, everyone, last year. In the column of where, clues, the world, America, the earth. Now come how to answer of it. What? There is a space. That means here will be answer. And event, attack. Who? Human being. Where? The world. Event, attack. That means the passage is what about discussed. The passage is discussed. We will find out the answer. What about? Who? Who means a person or many persons. Their clues are relevant, that human being. Where? Where means the answer of where is a place. It can be small or bigger space, can be a village, or can be the whole world or entire world. Event means a things or fact or matter. Okay, now there are 4 clues here, and For your understanding or for your answer, the one Roman number 1 is given, and there are 3 clues. Clues is attack human being the world. So in the passage, if we ask what attacks, then we will find the answer. Then what attacks? Human being. To whom it is attacking? Human being. The world. Where it is attacking? Around the world or in the total world. So what can we find out the answer? If I write here, remember that in the passage I have read that there are 3 terms: coronavirus, lockdown and COVID-19 are the talk of the world. So we can write here coronavirus. So coronavirus attacking or coronavirus attacking human being in the world. So that is the coronavirus is the correct answer. For second answer, we will find out in what here Chinese virus in the column of event clues is address. The address, synonym of address is call. Synonym of address is call. Who? This is the space or gap. Here will be answer. Where? America. Or answer will be placed in the column of who. So Chinese virus. In the passage I have read a sentence. You have remembered that once this coronavirus has been called Chinese virus by former American President Donald Trump. So Chinese virus, here is a clue. Address, the Chinese coronavirus was called Chinese virus. So called means here address. The America, that means that he is the American president or former American president called the coronavirus Chinese virus. So here we can address right here the Donald Trump. Why have I written here Donald Trump? Because in the above there is a clue. According this clue, I have to answer. Here is clue is who. So my answer should be a person. My answer should be a person from the sorry. My answer should be a person from the passage. Answer of who cannot be a things, cannot be a matter, cannot be a fact, cannot be any habitual fact, or cannot be any historical fact or anything. So I have written here Donald Trump. That is the proper answer. And where? America, because Donald Trump is the former president of America, and he called Chinese virus. Here is a clue: Chinese virus. So Donald Trump is the related with this column. That is the proper answer. For the third answer, we will find out the sentence in which it is located among the passages. In what? In the column of what? Here clues talk of the world. In the column of who, there is a clue everyone. In the column of where, there is a clue the earth. So what is the talk of the world? What is the talk of the world? Throughout the earth to the all human beings. In a sentence you remember from the passage that there is a sentence that coronavirus has been attacking human being only in the world. And coronavirus COVID-19 also lockdown are talk of the world. Here talk of the world, everyone here means the human being, and here the earth. So we can write here the corona virus or COVID-19. COVID-19, because both of these two terms are related to these three clauses. For that reason, both of these two terms are the correct answer for you, but you cannot make here sit down or cannot make here write both of these terms. You will choose one of these terms between these two, coronavirus or COVID-19. Now the last answer. What in the column of what it is it is the number of 4. Now the column of what it is space, there is a space, that means here will be a answer. Event, in the column of event, clues is discovery. In the column of who, there is nothing, or where there is nothing. That means in where, below the where, there will be answer. So discovery, event, we got the event discovery. From the discovery word, what we can find out from the passage? What has been discovered? What has been discovered? We know that coronavirus has been discovered or COVID-19 has been discovered. So we write here COVID-19. Discovery is the noun of discover. Discover is a verb with the parts of speech. If you know the parts of speech, then you can understand better. So synonym of discover is invent. What is invented or what is discovered? We know COVID-19 discovered. And who? There is a space. Who discovered it? We don't know already who discovered it. It is created artificially or it is created naturally. Up to now, whatever we know from the news, we have been informed that it has been naturally created. So there will be space, there is nothing. In the column of where, we should find out the answer from the passage. Here is a got the clue COVID-19. Here the clue discovery. Where? In where the COVID-19 or coronavirus has been discovered. You know, in the passage there is a sentence that coronavirus has been discovered in China. Or you know that China is the largest country in the world in the number of population. So China is a country. So here we can write the China. Dear students, from reading clues and by understanding the unseen passage, already we have answered 5 of the questions. First answer is coronavirus. It is related another 3 terms. Second answer, Donald Trump. Donald Trump word here. Though Donald Trump is a person, but we can mention here it is words. The Donald Trump is related with these 3 words or addressing, that is Chinese virus address America. And third, coronavirus or COVID-19 is related with talk of the world, everyone, the earth. Fourth, COVID-19 is related with the clue discovery, or Chin is related with the clue discovery. So you got the 5 answer from the passage. I do hope that you have understand something, and now I want to suggest you that you will be more attentive to understand the online classes, and you will be regular in your study, as your examination is knocking at your door. Avoiding roaming or without passing your lazy time, or without using the mobile phone unnecessarily, or without watching the television for passing your leisure time, or to avoid the autonomy. Besides this, you will read attentively so that you can obtain a good result in your upcoming exam. Now some of the students can have the question to me, but here there is no chance to ask me any question. For this reason, I am replying 2 or 3 sentences for your perception and information transfer. There is a interesting words, 2 words, information transfer. Transfer, you know, easily the transfer means change, or to change something from here to there. So information means Totto. In Bangla, I can tell you the Totto. From the unseen passage, what you will read or what you will understand, from this passage you will collect the correct information, and according to the clues what will be relevant to your answer, you will transfer this information to the column, and information will find out from the unseen passage. Some of the students make mistake that to collect the information they like the seen passage. You never collect any information from the seen passage to answer the question number 3. You must collect the information from the unseen passage to answer the question number 3. At last, I will tell you that be safe, be sound, and maintain the health policy. Stay well, pray for me, and I am praying for you. Thank you very much.